Hi guys, today we are going to be cooking some beef steaks, and as you can see I've already washed them and put them in my roasting pan, and I've salt and peppered them and added some onions on top. I also have here in a bowl 2 beef bouillon cubes and a few onions that was left over on the cutting board. I just threw them in there also. So I'm just mixing up the bouillon cubes just a little bit. And in there, I'm also going to add a packet of brown gravy mix and a packet of beefy onion soup mix. And I'm just going to add these in here because it makes it easier to just pour it all together into the pan over the meat. And then I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And I will pour all of this in there, place it in the oven, and let it cook for about 45 minutes or so till it's nice and tender. So as you can see, I'm just mixing everything together there, and we will just pour it over the meat just like that. And I'm using about 2 cups of water. And that is it. I will just kind of spread this around a little bit because I want it to get in the water, but as the meat cooks down, it will settle into the water as well. So that is it. We will add our lid and place this in the oven. Alrighty guys, so I have taken our meal out of the oven, and here we have it. Everything looks so delicious. I am going to serve this over rice, and we'll have a side of green beans and corn. So quick and easy dinner that's very hearty and filling for the entire family. Okay guys, and just like that, dinner is ready. Quick and easy. And when I say quick, meaning that everything else was quick. The meat, we just put it in the oven and let it do its thing. But the green beans are canned green beans. You can use frozen if you want to. And also canned cream corn, because that's what my husband and Addison likes. And rice, and that's boil in a bag rice. So we have a meal for the entire family, and we will likely have leftovers as well. So quick and easy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know, that helps me out tremendously. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, mwah, mwah, mwah. You guys know I love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye. And dinner is served. I am ready to enjoy this meal, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.